If the vehicle doesn't have existing metal-formed coves, a solid cove former must be used under the flooring where the floors and walls meet to add structure and support to the flooring. Apply adhesive both to the cove former and the surface to be adhered to. Make sure the cove former is cut to size. Apply adhesive to the flooring to be fitted. Fold the flooring onto the cove former, ensuring that there are no gaps or air bubbles, and the flooring is fully in contact with the cove former. Roll the coving with a 1-inch seam roller to ensure full contact between the flooring and the cove former.